everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's video I'm going to share with you all 4 must try eyeliner hacks, and trust me, if you're a beginner this is going to help you a lot, and also for those who all struggle to wear eyeliner, here I am to share these 4 hacks, and trust me, it's going to help you a lot. So make sure to watch this video till the very end. If you're new around here, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, here we need a tape. So I'm using the white tape here, and this is a hack for all the beginners who struggle to do wing liner. So you're going to cut a small slit from the tape you cut out. You can see the slit I'm showing you, a small slit or wider one, however you like your wing to come. And then you're going to place it near your eye and adjust it accordingly. Make sure you close your eye and all and check how the wing is going to turn out. So, and once you're done setting the position, just stick it on, and you can see and gently dab it to just stay on there. And then now you're going to use your eyeliner, whichever eyeliner you use, and then gently start coating your liner on your eyelid. Gently do it and start filling in the wing first, and then you can know how thick or thin you need it on your eyelid. So once you're done filling it, you can adjust your eyeliner. And now you can see how beautifully it's come. And now you're just going to remove the tape. Make sure you do it really gently because it might hurt sometimes if you do it harsh. And then just gently coat the end so it'll look professional and neat. You can see how beautifully it's turned out. And same way you can do this for the other eye also, and just draw the wing, and then you can coat your full eyelid. And this is the hack. I hope you enjoyed it. So let's move on to hack number 2. Generally when you're doing your wing liner, by mistake we end up messing it up. So how to fix it is what I'm going to show you in this hack. What you need for this hack is just micellar water or makeup remover, whatever you're using. Dip it in a Q-tip and nicely make it wet, and then gently wipe it and use the other side of the Q-tip and clean it off. This will give a clean and neat look and make it look super professional and amazing. So let's move on to hack number 3. Very simple hack. Usually when you apply kajal, it always smudges and looks very bad at the end of the day. So what we're going to do here is take our eyeliner, whichever eyeliner you use, and take and draw a thin line just below the waterline, a very thin line. Then you can apply your kajal, and trust me, your kajal will never smudge after this, and your eye will look really bold and amazing. So you can see the other eye, it's fully smudged and not nice, but this eye looks perfect. So let's move on to hack number 4. Many of y'all want to do colorful eyeliner but don't end up having it. So what you're going to do is just take your liquid lipstick of any color, take it on a brush and gently apply it on your eyelid where you need the eyeliner shape. And trust me, this is such a beautiful hack, and you can wear color eyeliner for all your dresses. I hope you really enjoyed this hack. That's it for today's video. I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell to get all my notifications. I really hope you enjoyed this video and found many useful hacks. So do try them out and let me know in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Let's see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.